Hi guys! I'm happy to announce that you can get a gift and getting it is very easy. You need to like this video, leave one comment under this video, right? And be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you've done all of this, direct me on my Instagram and I'll send you a gift, and not only one gift, I'll send you 3 gifts, okay? It is a sketchbook, it is a guide with threads and needles for making lingerie, and it is a guide with materials for pattern making. Good luck!
And in this video I continue to sew lingerie set made of the beautiful lace. So keep watching this video till the end, because I'm going to show you sewing tips that can help you to make a bra like this one. So this is how my sketch looks like. And I use this beautiful lace for my lingerie set, and it is a non-stretch one. It is going to be a wire bra and a pattern I made myself. I've already cut the pattern out of fabric, and my cup bra is going to be with a vertical seam. I also need to cut a lining for the bridge made of a stable mesh. And this is what the unassembled bra looks like. I placed the lace and the stable mesh face to face, pinned and sewed a straight stitch at a distance of 1 cm. And bad news, I forgot to change a lower thread for white one and sewed a straight stitch. But I think it's not a big problem here because it's almost invisible. Then I turn out the stable mesh and the bridge so that the seam is inside. I've already connected one part of the band with the stable mesh and the bridge, and now I need to do the same with the other part. I need to place this part of the band so that it is inside between the stable mesh and the bridge. So first I take this part of the band, put it face to face with the bridge and pin it. Then I take the stable mesh, place it like this and pin it. I need to sew a straight stitch at a distance of 1 cm and then turn it so that the seam is inside. I connected all the details of the band together and now can start making bra cups. I pinned details of the bra cups together and now they look like this. I'm going to process the bra cups with my favorite stitch. Next, I take a white soft elastic and pin it to the cup face to face, and then sew a zigzag close to the shaped edge. The length of this elastic I took 10% less than the length of the edge of the cup. Next, I turn the elastic to the wrong side and pin it, and sew a 3-step zigzag. I've already pinned one cup to the underband, and now I need to do the same with the other cup. Here, the cups should be on the same level. Also here, it's easier to pin the cup because the cup is not whole. I sewed a straight stitch and my wrong side looks like this now. Now I take an underwire channeling 1 cm wide and pin it to the seam allowance this way. The soft side of the underwire channeling is facing me. The length of this channeling I take 1 cm longer than the length of the bra underwire. Next, sew a straight stitch on the cup side. On the side of the band, don't sew 1 cm, so then it will be convenient to sew the elastic band. I already took the elastic band and pinned it to the bridge. And now I need to sew a zigzag close to the shaped edge. And I need to sew the elastic band only to the edge of the bridge. After sewing the zigzag, it looks like this. Next, I turn the elastic band to the wrong side, pin it, and need to sew a 3-step zigzag. After sewing the 3-step zigzag, it should look like this. Now I need to turn the underwire channeling to the wrong side, pin it, and sew a straight stitch. This way we hide the seam allowance under the underwire channeling. After sewing the straight stitch, it looks like this. And from the wrong side, it looks like this. I've already pinned the elastic band to the top of the underband from both sides. A loop from the strap elastic with a ring is pinned between the elastic band and the lace. I took the length of the elastic band 10% less than the edge to which it is sewn, adding allowances for the tails equal to 4 cm. Next, sew a zigzag close to the shaped edge. Next, from the cup side in the tail equal to 3 cm, I put a ring and hide the tail under the elastic band in this way. First, I sew a straight stitch here, then turn the elastic band to the wrong side, pin it, and sew a zigzag. Now I take the underwires and put it into the underwire channeling. I took 2 strap elastics 45 cm long each, and I've already put into these elastics the sliders the way I usually do it, and now need to sew a zigzag or a straight stitch, also a good option. Next, I take a garter clip and put it into the strap elastic in this way. All is left is to sew a zigzag here. I'm joking, guys. Also, I need to sew on the hook and eye closure and do one more thing. First, I pin the hook and eye to the underband to fix the position. Then I make the hand stitches. And after that, I sew on the hook and eye closure to the underband. And the final step is sewing a zigzag stitch on the bridge so that the underwires will not come out. To make it easier to do this, I first sew a straight stitch and then sew a zigzag. Next, I carefully cut off the excess tails. And my wire bra is ready, and it looks awesome. What do you think about the result? Let me know in the comment section, okay? And for now, thanks for watching and see you!